Chop your onions into small pieces. Chop your tomatoes into small pieces. Chop your green pepper into small pieces. Whatever you're doing here is preparing your ingredients. Add your egg into your bowl. Add your onion. Add your tomato. Add your green pepper. Add all of it. Mix it. Add your salt. Continue mixing. Add your mixture into your pan, into your hot pan. It should be hot. You should put your first piece of bread and your second one. Put your second bread and remove it. Put your first bread, your second bread. Overturn it. Measure it first. Then turn it. As you can see, it looks nice. Put your first bread and your second slice of bread. Turn it. Then slice it at the middle. Simmer your fire. Slice them into pyramid. Then arrange them. Enjoy. Please subscribe and share. Thank you. Comment below.